Todd Chrisley, who is currently incarcerated after he and his wife Julie Chrisley were indicted on 12 counts of tax evasion, fraud, and conspiracy, no longer has a job in prison. The reality star, 55, is currently serving time at federal prison camp Pensacola, where PEOPLA can confirm that he was removed from his job as an assistant to the chaplain. His attorney, Jay Sargent, tells POPL that he was removed from his position due to associating with inmates who are part of the prison's residential drug abuse program. Sargent says that Todd also lost access to a small office in the chapel where he did his volunteer work and is very disappointed and upset that he can no longer participate in the administration of the setup for religious services at Pensacola, which includes Christian, Jewish, and Muslim services. He tells PAPL that Todd feels he was removed from his duties without cause, but it has not affected his firm belief that in the end, God will work things out for him, Julie, and his family. For privacy reasons, we do not comment on the conditions of confinement for any incarcerated individual, including their work detail assignments, a representative for the Federal Bureau of Prisons told TMZ, which first reported the news. After both their sentences were reduced in September 2023, Todd's release date was pushed to June 26, 2032, per the Federal Bureau of Prisons' online inmate search system. While Julie's 7-year prison sentence was vacated in June after federal judges ruled that her case had insufficient evidence, her original sentencing was upheld last month after a judge ruled that her original punishment was sufficient. According to inmate records, her release date is now set for April 22, 2028. Before Julie's sentencing was upheld in September, their daughter Savannah Chrisley spoke about how she expects the worst amid her parents' legal battles. That's the only dreams that I had recently. It's just her coming home and her being at home to the point that, I wake up and I'm kind of, disoriented, she said on the August 13 episode of her Unlocked podcast. I'm like, wait, what is happening? Because it feels so real, she said, and I'm trying not to get my hopes up because, let's face it, a lot of things within this legal battle have not gone our way. So I expect the worst, and anything else that is better than that is a win.